Okay, we got 185 pound, 83 kilos. Estonia versus Tajikistan. And Estonia is going to be in the blue corner. Here comes Tajikistan in the red. It's 185 pound, 83 kilos. Estonia in the blue, Tajikistan in the red. Tajikistan's quick. Estonia ties up. Tajikistan breaks out. He's firing those quick strikes. Beautiful leg kick by Estonia. That's the way to slow him down. There he goes again. Estonia goes for the tie. Tajikistan doesn't want to tie. He's getting out of that. Estonia pulls guard. Got his hips out to the side. Fishing for a triangle there. But Estonia, Tajikistan fails it. Prevents. Tajikistan steps over. Estonia is going to fish for a Kimura. And it looks like Tajikistan is out. Tajikistan's trying to get side control, but Estonia's pushing that head, keeping him from getting a good established position. And he recovers guard. Round. All right, here we go. 185 pound, 83 kilos. Estonia in the blue, Tajikistan in the red. May come down to this round. We'll see. Oh, heavy kicks and heavy punches. And Estonia wants to pull guard. Tajikistan wants to keep it on the feet. Landing some powerful shots. Tajikistan lands some powerful shots. Caught that leg, takes him down, and decides he doesn't want to go down. Estonia's got deep in that double, but Tajikistan presses forward with the hips and lands in mount. That's dangerous to stay on your knees that long. Tajikistan gets that mount. Estonia's going to try to walk off that fence. Estonia's savvy and spins him around. Estonia's trying to take the back here. 10-second warning. He's trying to get that arm bar. Estonia's keeping his head low, steps over. Time. And the winner in the red corner, Tajikistan.